What if one earthquake, one flood, or simply the passage of time erased centuries of history forever? Every heritage monument carries stories that can never be recreated, but they can be preserved digitally. Across the world, priceless monuments face constant threats from pollution, climate change, natural disasters, and urban development. Once these architectural details disappear, they are often lost forever. Permanent digital preservation. High-precision laser scanning captures millions of measurement points with remarkable accuracy, creating a lasting digital record of every carving, column, and architectural detail. Heritage is more than stone and architecture. It's the story of who we are. By digitizing our monuments today, we preserve their legacy for tomorrow. If you believe our cultural heritage deserves a digital future, like this video, subscribe for more technology and heritage insights, and share it with someone who cares about preserving history.